Hi, I'm Dr. Musiel from Plant Docs, and this is my assistant today. Her name is
Mia. We're going to make a nice, nutritious ice cream made with all fruit.
All Fruit. And what do we call this all nutritious ice cream?
Nice fruit. Nice cream.
Nice cream. Is that a good name for it? It's
Yeah.
ice cream. That's
Yeah.
all healthy. So what's the first step?
First step is you want to plug your machine in.
And the machine's called a Yonana. And then do you want to take the top off the
We're going
Yonana?
to take the Yonana.
And once we turn it on, it's going to be really loud. So first we're going to tell you what we're going to do before we do it, right?
Yeah.
So what are we going to put in once we turn it on?
Once we turn it on, we're going to be putting in the bananas.
So this is what? What kind of bananas?
Those are frozen bananas.
Frozen bananas are going to make it really creamy. And remember to look right at them. And then this is what?
Warm strawberries.
These are frozen strawberries that we thawed a little bit, so they're not like frozen solid.
Yeah.
And then this is
Blueberries.
frozen little blueberries that we're gonna add.
So cute.
All right, so we're gonna turn it on. It's gonna get loud, but you'll see what we do. And here, push it down. Come on, you can do it. Oh, here it comes. Here it comes. Yay, ice cream. All right, we need a few more blueberries. Oh, look at that. Yum. So grab some more blueberries. And more strawberries. And more bananas. And now oh my god, it looks so good! Ta-da! All right, let's try it. Let's tell everyone how good it is. It looks so good. Nice cream. Strawberry, blueberry, banana, nice cream. Right, friend.
Good.
Mm-hmm. Oh, cold.
I think I know why they call it wild blueberries.
Why?
Because they kept jumping out everywhere.
That's funny.